Hi, my name is András Varga, and I will present you the database triggers. What are they and what are they used for? What is a database trigger? Database trigger is a mechanism like the real one, like the on the guns. It starts a process which runs off totally automatically, so you cannot interrupt. Uh, and it's not started manually, so I cannot start it by myself. It started by an event. This event, in this case, in databases, can be all the basic uh, functions and data manipulation, like insert, update, or delete. But we will see an example. So there's an event which will fire a trigger, and the firing will cause a runoff. Let's see some examples for this, like the event can be an insert, firing can be the trigger itself, and the runoff is the runoff results in an insert also. Okay, there is an example task I set for you. When we edit the blog post, we would like to save, and on this save we would like to update the last modified field. That's a timestamp, date time data type. So how it looks like in a plan. So hello, I'm the user. I would like to update these on the post, like a title or content. It doesn't matter what I update, because the trigger doesn't care about it. It will update the modify date. So let's do some code. Let's see how it works in the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So here we are in the Server Management Studio, and as you see, I have created an example post called M515DEX drive, and it was last modified this time. So let's see how will we create a trigger. Of course, when you first make a trigger, you use the keyword called create. But in this example, I have already created the trigger. So what I will use is alter, which edits or modifies the trigger. As you see, it works. So I make this trigger called last edited. This is the name what I gave, and this acts on the post table. So when some events happen on the post table, this trigger will be active or fired. So there is an important part, this keyword called after, because I can say the trigger where to take effect. I mean, the trigger can be instead of the insert, or in this case, for example, after the insert or update. So here I declare an integer, a big integer called insID, and I will make it equal with the already inserted or updated table's ID. I will use the inserted keyword because this will give me a table with the just inserted rows, and from these rows I would like to select the ID field, so this will be equal with the insID. Then I will do what I wanted. So I will update the DBO post table, the same table that I'm on, and set the modified field to the current timestamp, which will be equal with the actual time when I fire the script. And yeah, this is the where would like to where no, where I would like to do it, when where the post ID is equal with the already inserted ID. So go. In this example, I update this post. What you saw here, it's, the I will update the title. I will make the M550D X drive title to BMV M550, sorry, DXX drive. The post ID is 17, so yeah, I will use this 17. And let's see what happens when I fire the script. Drums, snare drums. Rows are affected. As you see, 2 rows are affected, but this is the same rows 2 times. So let's see what happened. We go back here, do the same query, and we have to look at the title, how it changes. And yes, the title is changed and it has been modified. So this is the current time. This is on mobile clock also. Yeah, so this is the last time it has been modified. So yeah, this was a pretty basic example how to use the triggers when you do not want to create a log function. So have a nice day. See you soon.